Good morning, kids! Now we are going to find the GCF or the greatest common factor of 30 and 45. So, there are three methods in finding the GCF. First is through prime factorization, second is listing method, and third is the continuous division. But first, we are going to use the prime factorization. So, write the 30 and we will do the factor 3. So, the factor of 30 is 2 and 15. So, 2 is a prime number and 15 is a composite one. So, we are going to find the factor of 15. So, the factor of 15 is 3 and 5. So, 3 and 5 are already prime number. So, now we are going to do the factor 3 in 45. So, the factor of 45 is 5 and 9. So, 5 is already a prime number. 9 is a composite one. So, we are going to find the factor of 9. So, the factor of 9 is 3 times 3. So, we are going to encircle the common factor of the two. So, we have 3 and 5. So, in order for us to get the greatest common factor, we are going to multiply the 3 and 5. So, 3 times 5 is equal to 15. So, the greatest common factor of 30 and 45 is 15. So, the next method is the listing method. So, we are going to write the 30 and 45. So, we are going to list all the factor of 30. So, the first factor of 30 is 1 times 30. So, yan. The next factor is 2 times 50. The next is 3 and 10 or 3 times 10. The next is 5 and 6. So, these are all the factor of 30. Next is the factor of 45. So, we have 1 times 45. The next is 3 times 15. Next is 5 times 9. So, these are all the factor of 40. So, now we are going to encircle again their common factor. So, we have 3, 5, and 15. So, what are the greater factor of the two? So, the 15. So, the greatest common factor of 30 and 45 is 15. So, our last method is the continuous division. So, first, we are going to write the 30 and 45 and put a radical symbol. So, we are going to think of a prime number that we are going to divide into 30 and 45. So, we are going to use the number 3. So, 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10. And 45 divided by 3 is 15. So, 10 and 15 is a composite number. So, we are going to think again of a prime number that we are going to divide. So, we are going to use the prime number 5. So, 10 divided by 5 is 2. And 15 divided by 5 is 3. So, the next step that we will do is to multiply the 3 and 5. So, 3 times 5 is equal to 15. So the greatest common factor of 30 and 45 is 15.